Katie Hullman is the Chief Marketing Officer at Home Electronics Planet, a major retailer. Her marketing campaigns just aren't getting the desired results. So to get fresh ideas, she meets with the head of BSI. Let's listen in.
I'm under huge pressure because our sales are dropping. Even though we've spent more on digital channels to drive traffic and we are getting more online visitors, conversion rates are terrible. My boss is close to freezing my budget. I need to understand why traffic isn't converting into sales. And BSI is good at analytics, so can you help us?
Data-driven retailing is hot. You need to acquire the right customers by offering them the right products in a personalized, contextually relevant way at the right time across the right channels so they want to buy. What are your stats on acquisition?
Right now, for acquisition, we purchase 10,000 search keywords that yield 21.7 million visitors per month. Our average cost per click is $1.08. Are those numbers off the mark?
Not really. You need to get the right visitors, not just any visitors. Only 60% browse?
Uh-huh.
And how do you encourage purchases?
Everybody gets weekly emails with 6 discounted offers. For first-time visitors, that's based on our most popular items. For customers, the 6 offers are from categories they recently bought. But I'm afraid those aren't working very well. Here are the numbers. Open rates are fairly static, but click-through rates and sales per email are declining. What's worse is that more people than ever are opting out.
Wow, that's a bad trend. I think your email ROI can be substantially improved if you know more about your customers.
Can you show us how?
Yes, I'm assigning my 2 best investigators to look at your data and come up with suggestions.
Perfect.
Over the next 2 weeks, Fraser and Mercedes dig into Planet's data and make some very interesting discoveries.
So, do you think we have enough new acquisition and conversion ideas, Fraser?
Yes, we don't want to overwhelm Katie, so let's start with acquisition. What did you find?
They're buying too many ineffective keywords. This in-path report shows that vividly. Keywords they bought are on the left, and the lines show the visitors. Most visitors never even browsed, let alone purchased, getting to the endpoints on the right.
Interesting. So how much of their keyword spend is wasted?
That's a little more complicated. They use detailed data to look at people who bought, sometimes after visiting multiple times, before they purchased.
Avoiding that classic mistake of attributing the purchase to only the last keyword.
Right. By looking at all points in time, we can see which combinations of keywords drove valuable customers and which drive visitors but no sales. Planet could probably cut back the number of keywords by 15% and still generate the same sales.
That'll get Katie's attention. Good job on acquisition ideas.
Thanks. So what did you come up with for better conversions?
I use the same approach to drill into the data to see what products those valuable customers are buying. These market basket product affinity diagrams show what's bought at the same time.
Like printers and ink?
Yeah, we can link from product groups to the consumer groups that buy those product clusters. Here are 2 I mocked up. Movie buffs and photo families. We can create more precise consumer groups by using not just affinities, but also the sequencing of product buys plus deeper demographic data like household income and age, as well as browsing behaviors. Here's a mock-up for a target group like 30-year-olds with incomes around $50,000 who bought tablets, laptops, and an exercise band.
Nice. We can call that segment High-Tech Trainer?
That's the idea.
So for customers who are going down this sequence, we know to pitch ellipticals?
Right, especially in the fall.
Could we also match non-buying visitors to known customers and promote the products they're most likely to purchase?
The boss will like that idea. We can call it lookalike modeling. Worth a shot.
That's probably enough for now. But I love these discovery visuals.
Yeah, they really help data scientists convey insights more effectively to the business people.
Okay, let's package these up and go see the boss.
Jodice invites Katie to come over to hear the recommendations. She brings along her VP of IT, Lincoln Duckett, to understand the new technology requirements.
Since you already have Teradata as your enterprise data warehouse for traditional data, we're recommending Teradata's unified data architecture to add flexibility and deeper insights. The first new component is a data platform, so you can capture any kind of data. Right now you're focused on web data, but next quarter you may want to add in social media information, like tweets. We're recommending Hadoop and Hortonworks.
We already bought Hortonworks Hadoop as a data platform for another project.
Perfect. Then all you'll need are the connectors. On the upstream side, we're recommending technology called Celebris. The tag-free Celebrus software captures extremely granular web data, including all behaviors by each online visitor, such as clicks, searches, browses, basket ads, and even mouse overs, as well as the devices used. That data can be stored on Hadoop or directly into the warehouse. It's very flexible.
Okay, what else?
Hadoop can do some batch processing, but you'll need a discovery platform for more advanced analytics. We're recommending Teradata Aster, which has libraries of the analytics you saw. It's parallel, so it's very fast, using SQL MapReduce. The idea of discovery is to merge web data with customer insights, like past purchases or demographics from the Teradata system, so you can visualize activities, like what keywords are attracting high-value customers, or next best offer possibilities.
And the graphs you showed us, those are generated on the Discovery platform?
Yes, those end-path diagrams are very popular. But there are also affinity analytics, graph tools for social media, and many others.
Once we see the patterns and build the consumer groups to know what the next best offers are, how do we take action?
Those patterns are uploaded into the Teradata database that drives the campaign management solution. We're recommending Teradata Customer Interaction Manager and its components. For email follow-ups, you'll set up a trigger to send out personalized emails based on rules in the Customer Interaction Manager. For example, one rule might say, send an email if Mrs. Smith browsed at least 2 times but did not buy in the store. Instead of 6 products with discounts like you've been doing, the email will have just 1 image of the item most recently browsed, like a laptop, plus 4 relevant items based on her customer segment. You can use a component called Digital Messaging Center, DMC, to send the emails or SMS messages.
And for the web, the personalization is real-time, right?
Exactly. We use the Real-Time Interaction Manager to match clicks by customers and visitors to consumer groups and dynamically customize each web page. It computes whether to offer each person a sale item versus a brand new product offer. As it learns what offers work best, the tool adjusts which real-time offers to make. These changes should solve your conversion problem. It's a closed-loop system, so each time you try out a web personalization or a custom email, you're doing an experiment.
Which creates more clicks for analysis.
Yes, you've got it.
I think this is fairly straightforward. I'll send some of my BI experts over for some training, and our system architects can get to work putting it all together.
How long will it take?
I'm guessing we can try this out within a month.
Perfect.
Jody stops by Planet headquarters to talk to Katie about the new system.
So, what happened with the keyword buys?
We're bidding on fewer keywords, spending 15% less, but getting slightly more visitors because they're the right keywords. You can see the lift here for the replacement keywords.
Great. And how's conversion worked out?
I put together this before and after picture for the board meeting coming up. To personalize better, we built 30 consumer groups so far. Results show we're driving 42,000 more people to shop per month, and total web sales are up by 10%. My boss is very happy with those results.
What happened with the lookalike visitors?
For about half of the visitors, we can recognize what to do within 5 or 6 clicks, and conversions on both email and the web have improved dramatically.
So overall, you fixed your conversion issues?
Yes, we now have both the detailed data and the discovery and operationalization tools so we can do better marketing. Tell Mercedes and Frazier thanks, and let's stay in touch.
Our pleasure.
Oh, and finally, here's a gift for you, some artwork for your office.
Wow, you really have learned how to run the visualizations. Thanks.
Thanks for watching another episode of BSI Teradata. You can see all our episodes at bsi-teradata.com and on YouTube. And for more info, visit the Teradata retail page.